In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a team member on Fresha. Managing your salon's team effectively is a crucial part of running a successful business. Fresha provides an excellent platform for this, but sometimes for various reasons, you may need to remove a team member from your account. Whether it's due to staff turnover or a reshuffling of roles, the process is straightforward. Let's dive in and see how it's done. Firstly, navigate to Fresha tailored for businesses. Fresha offers a comprehensive suite of tools for managing your salon, spa, or wellness facility, and accessing the business side of Fresha is the initial step towards making any administrative change, including deleting a team member. Next, you will click on the Login button. It's located prominently on the web page, ensuring that you have quick access to this vital first step. Logging in will take you deeper into the platform, where you can manage bookings, clients, and importantly for us, team members. After logging in, select Fresha for Professionals. This option ensures you're accessing the platform with the correct credentials and permissions to make changes to your team. By focusing on the professional side of Fresha, you're able to access a comprehensive range of tools designed specifically for your business needs. The following step is to continue with Google. By linking your Fresha account to Google, you're able to streamline your login process, enhancing security and efficiency. This is particularly useful for busy professionals who manage multiple online platforms for their business. Choose your Google account from the options provided. This is a simple yet crucial step, as ensuring you're logged into the correct Google account saves time and prevents any confusion down the line. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to manage your team. You can do this by going directly to the Teams section of Fresha. Here you'll find various options related to team management, including schedules, roles, permissions, and of course the option to delete team members. Upon entering the Teams section, click on Team Members. This brings up a list of all the individuals currently part of your team. Fresha provides a clear and concise overview, allowing you to quickly and easily identify who you need to remove from the platform. Next, identify the team member you wish to delete and click on Actions next to their name. The Actions button is your gateway to modifying anything related to a team member's profile, whether you want to update their details, change their permissions, or remove them from the system. After clicking on Actions, select Archive. This action effectively removes the team member from your active list, ensuring they no longer have access to your Fresha business account. Archiving is a crucial step, as it maintains record integrity without permanently erasing historical data, which can be useful for reference or in case the team member rejoins your team in the future. And there it is, you've successfully deleted a team member from Fresha. This process not only helps in keeping your team list up to date, but also ensures that only current members have access to your business details and schedules. In conclusion, Fresha provides a user-friendly interface for managing the people who help make your business run smoothly. Whether you're adding new members to your team or removing others, it's important to stay organized and keep your team roster current. This not only helps with scheduling and day-to-day operations, but also secures your business data. Remember, regular updates to your team and their roles are part of effective business management, ensuring that your salon or wellness center operates efficiently and securely. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to delete a team member on Fresha. Stay tuned for more helpful guides.